Okay, we have this Samsung phone with a bad touch. Here, as you can see, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Um, okay, so we have it here. Then sometimes um, it works, sometimes it doesn't. You can see here, right here. So if I go here, sometimes it touches. Or here, sometimes it touches, but it works. The 7 works. So that won't work. If it clicks, it's clicking the hashtag. Right there works a little bit, but the glitches. So it kind of clicks both at the same time. So we want to start the disassembling. We want to start like removing all the parts, and this is going to be to remove. We want to troubleshoot a little bit. I think this is just a faulty LCD. So disconnect that one, and then I'm gonna remove all the screws, and then just keep a pattern. So since I have to order the part, I'm gonna just keep everything well organized. So I have everything ready when I get the screen. So this is a screen I already ordered, but it was replaced once. But the customer brought back because it's glitching. It won't work as it should. Always keep track of your screws. I think these are all the same size, but always keep track of the screws so you don't put them in the wrong place and end up damaging your device. That one seems like it wants to stay there. Okay, so and then I'm gonna have to check if that one came with the fingerprint reader cable. Okay, so this one was the original one. Um, I need to make sure everything is going to be transferred. And this one, I think the fingerprint reader, I think it's attached to this case, the frame. But I need to make sure I don't send parts that belong to this one, otherwise it's going to be a problem. Anyway, we're going to remove the rest of the screws, and we can probably try troubleshooting little by little to see if it's just the screen still, or maybe it's the connection. I doubt it because the phone was working good for like 2 or 3 weeks, but after that period of time, the customer brought it back because it started to glitch. All these right here. Yeah, okay. Keep track of your screws. Okay, that one seems to be like it wants to stay there, so just make sure everything is going to be well organized. So when we get the other parts, we know where all the stuff goes in. Okay, this one came off, this one stays. So now we want to have to remove this one right there. And then I protected the cameras, some stickers to fix them. I mean to protect them from getting touched. Okay, we'll remove that screw. Goes in there. Making sure everything is going to be where it belongs. Then now I'm going to try removing this. Came off from. Okay, so here's one more right here in the corner. I didn't remove this one, so it fell off. Just going around and being careful about it. Let's see if you always gotta be careful being, so we don't damage anything. I need to remove that SIM tray. And then a paper clip sometimes works better than the other stuff. Let me get, or a thumbtack. A little there. Push a little harder. Out. You have to keep it there. Always be careful with this area right here because there are connectors. We don't want to damage them. Then like this. Slowly we got this back cover. Let's put it on the side. And then since the phone is still works, I'm not sure if it's supposed to happen, but it doesn't click. So I'm just gonna put the SIM tray back. Okay. Keep testing. Alright, so we do work. Try clicking there and it clicks the 9. This one doesn't need to. Yeah. Alright, so it's not working. Remove that one. Click OK, it doesn't work. So, alright, we go back. And then now we want to disconnect the battery. Want to make sure there's no power. We Disconnect. These connectors seem to be okay, so I don't think that that's the issue. Connected. That one I'm gonna try to keep it together. So okay, there's a screw right here that needs to be on. That one I'm gonna remove it. Just let it sit there, but I'm gonna put it together with this one right here. We need to disconnect the one. Actually, that one is from the up higher up here, and this one is going to be from down here. So that should be the same size. Okay, you can see this one right here is attached to it. Let me grab this screw so it doesn't fall. Alright, so that one is from here. You just keep that in mind. Be careful about it. This adhesive is very strong. You have to be careful about it. I'm going to apply a little bit of isopropyl. Help out with the separation, just a little bit. There we go. This piece came off faster. Alright, so we have that. Let's see if we can lift the whole motherboard. Alright, we have it here. We want to place it nice and organized. The screw belongs to the bottom one. And this one belongs to the one on the upper one. And just so I don't lose them, I'm gonna put a little bit of just a little bit of masking tape to keep those in place, so I know where they belong in case I need to move. And that way I know that they are there. Okay, I just put them in it. Okay, so those are there, and now we're gonna have to remove the battery. Okay, what else do we need from here? From here we are going to need one stays, that one stays. Okay, so we are going to need just the battery. Should be able to lift it just fine. Okay, I'm gonna need to use some heat so I can lift it. I wasn't expecting that, but might as well just. It's gonna take some time to warm up. In the meantime, I can just start lifting. Alright, and now we are working on removing the screen. It's super stuck inside. Just a little bit of isopropyl to help. It should come out faster. Slowly, just like this. Alright, so I'm gonna shut this down. If you are careful about it, you might be able to remove this battery. Basically, just like use it like so. This one's sticky still, but I'm pretty sure the other one, this new screen, is gonna come up with a little stickers. Alright, and from this one I just need to get this part right here because this one came with the device. This one didn't came with the screen. For that I need a little something to go in here. Be careful about it. This went up like this. Lift it so, and this little piece comes out just like this. Alright, that one we put it with the rest of the parts, and so this is the one that came like this, and it goes like this. I don't need anything from here. That should be it. So, alright, that's the screen that came with that defective one, and then I'm gonna ship it today. Hopefully I can get that. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this help you out, and we are gonna wait for a new frame with the screen in it. Otherwise I could have just, yeah, I need a frame because this one is damaged. So thanks for watching.